Well, I'm watching Gordon Ramsay going off at some Indians, but then I'm sitting here and thinking, you know what? I actually want my Sututu noises back for my GF8. So I used to have a really old blower valve thingy and it didn't work, so I had back pressure on my turbo and I went Sututu! So it had the Sututu noise, and it's because my turbo, was having back pressure on it, and I want to tighten my blower valve so the back pressure goes back again and I get the classic old noise back again. That is bad for your turbo. Well, the turbo is on its way out. It has 2 bent fins in it and it's on its way out. So what I'm going to actually do is, tighten up the blower valve, because I've got a HKS blower valve on there that goes so I want to pretty much tighten that up. I'm going to put a mark on it so I can put it back to where it was. I'll show you what I'm doing. So let's get the Sututu noise back again. Yes. So I've looked at it and there's actually no adjustment on it, and that sucks because we can't tighten it because actually there's no adjustment on it. So I've gone for plan B, and where the blower valve used to sit, what we're going to do is we're going to block it off with a bottle cap, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this excess hose. Probably will end up blocking that too. That's on the blower valve. So yeah, we'll see if this works. So that's where the blower valve used to sit. Now it's completely off and we've blocked off the routine, I guess. There it is. Okay, just started the car, nothing unusual. Looking at the boost reading here, nothing unusual there either. It's pretty all sweet. That's what it reads normal when it's cold. So we're gonna get the engine up to a normal temp and we'll see if it makes any more dosing noises. Okay, currently I've taken my mic off and I'm going to place it near the turbo in the engine bay and control it from the inside. I have extension wire for a 3.5mm jack that I can control. Just going to make that a bit brighter. So it's going to sit like that and hopefully it doesn't come loose because it's in there quite tight. And I'm going to run the wire inside and control, the dB gain and how loud it is, because the run was pretty good. I liked it, but the sound on the camera is not coming in properly. So we're going to do it properly and see what it actually sounds like. You can see there I've run my mic through the cabin. It's just going to go outside the window. I'm not going to bring it through a firewall and anything. Keep it out of my way to be safe. And I'm going to mount the camera just up here and to try and get the sound. The camera that I'm using right now has a lot of audio control, so I can actually turn in the dB up and stuff. I'll show you in a minute. I have a lot of controls for audio system. So it's a 32 dB, the highest setting. And I'm going to alter all of this stuff so we can get a good sounding, clean Sututu noise, I guess. So yeah. That, my people, is freaking awesome. I just heard the audio playback. That's where the mic is put on, as you can see, and it did a pretty awesome job. And it's nice and cold, not even warm, no heat, no nothing in it. The turbo was literally down there and the mic was up there. Perfect.